Think drinking massive amounts of water keeps your kidneys healthy. Dead wrong. Drinking the wrong way is silently destroying millions of nephrons every single day without you knowing. Stop this dangerous habit right now. Drink these 9 natural beverages to flush out toxins, reduce stress, and restore your kidney function immediately. What should you drink for healthier kidneys? Here are 9 natural drinks that support kidney function. Your kidneys are not just simple water filters. They are complex systems working around the clock.
Many people drink plenty of water, but still worry about their kidney health. They think water alone is enough.
Some monitor blood pressure and take medication, thinking they are safe. But kidneys need more than just basic care. The kidney is a delicate microvessel system with millions of tiny units working continuously, 24 hours a day. Drinking water incorrectly, or too much at once, can increase pressure on this fragile system, causing potential damage. Medication helps stabilize blood pressure, but it cannot repair existing microdamage. Prevention and balance are key. Kidneys need a stable environment, low inflammation, and balanced minerals to maintain long-term filtration capacity. Today, we will understand how the kidney filtration mechanism works and how to care for it without confusion. I have a simple question for you. How many glasses of water do you drink daily, and are you sure it is the right way?
To understand why water alone isn't enough, let's look at the real role of the kidneys. They filter 150 to 180 liters of blood daily.
Inside each kidney are millions of nephrons. The glomerulus acts as a delicate microfilter, processing blood under specific pressure. The tubules reabsorb water, sodium, and glucose, maintaining internal balance. It's not just about filtering, it's about selective retention. When you drink too much water quickly, the blood flow through the glomerulus increases, putting unnecessary pressure on the system. Continuous high pressure can cause the glomerulus to stretch and weaken, especially if its function is already compromised. Excessive salt intake causes water retention, increasing pressure on the kidneys. A balanced diet is essential for long-term health. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress also damage kidney cells. A healthy lifestyle helps protect these vital organs. Now, let's look at the first drink: parsley, lemon, and ginger. This combination supports gentle diuresis and circulation. Parsley stimulates mild urination, while lemon provides vitamin C and antioxidants. Ginger improves blood circulation to the kidneys. Remember to dilute it well. Do not use it continuously for long periods to avoid unnecessary metabolic pressure. Hibiscus contains anthocyanins that neutralize free radicals. Beet provides natural nitrates, improving blood flow and microvessel health. Do not add sugar. If you have low blood pressure, monitor your levels, as this drink can have a mild effect. Third is watermelon and ginger juice. It's hydrating and warming, perfect for when you feel cold or tired. Watermelon is high in water and potassium, supporting hydration. Ginger adds warmth and anti-inflammatory benefits, aiding digestion and circulation. Drink it in moderation. Because watermelon contains natural sugars, avoid drinking too much at once.
Fourth is warm lemon water. It's a simple, effective way to start your day and support your kidneys.
Lemon provides citrate, which helps prevent kidney stones by binding to minerals. It's a gentle, natural support. Drink it diluted and after meals to avoid stomach irritation. It's a supplement, not a replacement for water. Cucumber is mostly water and minerals, while mint soothes the digestive system. It's a refreshing way to stay hydrated. Prepare it fresh daily. Avoid leaving it overnight, as the ingredients lose their freshness and quality. Dandelion and nettle support gentle diuresis, while turmeric's curcumin reduces inflammation and protects cells. Eighth is roasted black bean water, a classic, traditional drink known for its cooling and detoxifying properties. Black beans are rich in antioxidants that help clear heat and toxins from the body. It's a gentle, nourishing drink.
Don't make it too strong. It's a supplement, not a replacement for water. Use it in moderation.
It helps thin the blood, activates digestion, and gently wakes up the kidneys after a long night's rest. There is no magic drink. Kidney health comes from consistent, healthy habits, not just one special beverage. Reduce salt, control blood sugar, get enough sleep, and exercise lightly. These are the foundations of kidney health. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay informed, and take care of your kidneys. See you in the next video.
Hana.
Chứng đàn trốn nghỉ cái lanh chứng đi chế độ của mày. Em nợ em một chút. Tụi mình lỗi chính thường đồn thế. Hình cứ nói tịch quỷ.
Master your biology, optimize your life. Like, share, and subscribe to Biohack Protocol Lab. See you in the next protocol.